Here's a really common counting in Irish mistake made by teachers. Basically, it's when we're dealing with mhéad and Cúpla. So when we're counting things or saying how many things there are of. Okay? Mhéad. So if I was to say to you, mhéad meaning how many. If I was to say to you, how many girls are going on this trip? So mhéad Colleen an bhfuil ag dul ar an turas. Some of you might say. Some other people might say, mhéad Colleenie an bhfuil ag dul ar an turas. So the question is whether we use the singular of the noun or the plural of the noun. The answer is always singular. So if we're saying mhéad Colleen in this example, it will just stay in the singular. So it does not become Colleenie, despite the English being how many girls. Okay, Irish is different. When you're counting with mhéad, it always stays in the singular. Similarly to Cúpla. So if I wanted to say, well, a couple of girls. So mhéad Colleen a bhfuil ag dul ar an turas. Well, the answer would be, well, tá Cúpla Colleen. Cúpla Colleen ag dul ar an turas. So again, in English, we have how many girls, plural, and bhfuil ag dul ar an turas. How many girls are going on the tour? The answer might be, well, there's a couple of girls, plural, ag dul ar an turas, going on the tour. So, but in Irish, it will be mhéad Colleen a bhfuil ag dul ar an turas for the singular. Cúpla Colleen ag dul ar an turas, singular. Okay, so when we're using words, bottom line takeaway from this, mhéad followed by whatever noun you want will always stay in the singular. Similarly, if you're saying Cúpla followed by a noun, no matter what, Cúpla, the noun followed by the noun that follows Cúpla will always be in the singular. Pretty good, pretty easy.